Hello guys, happy morning. Today we'll check the pendulum animation. No pendulum, isn't it? So this is a pendulum and it will go from here to here. Is it? The point is we need a keyframes. So only we have a how many keyframes? It is a cycle. Cycle means when you start, if it is start from here and it will go there, then it has to come back. So this is the cycle. Here we need a three major keys. One is starting, first key, and then second key, and then third key. So in middle, it is not a key, it's in between. Automatically it will fill. When you pose the first and second key, automatically it will come from here to here. Okay, say an example, you have a 30 seconds, sorry, 30 frames. So the first key should be in a 0 frame and second be, sorry, first frame, second key is a 15 frame and third key is a 30th frame. So it will go 15th frame and come back to the 30th frame. So this is the idea of the pendulum. We'll do that pendulum in front view. Okay, first I'll create the top view cylinder. Again, I'll go to the front view, create a sphere over here. Now, if I select this, if I rotate, you can see that it is pivot is wrong. The pivot should be in the top. You know how to change the pivot. Select this one, hierarchy. Affect only the pivot. Take a move tool. Move your pivot towards up. And click this one. Now you can see when you rotate, okay, it is rotating well. Okay, if I rotate this, this sphere should go along with this. So we need to connect this two. Before I connecting, you can see over here, the cylinder is separated, sphere is separated. You can select both and you can combine, or you can click on this link over here in the left corner next to the undo over here. Click and drag towards this. And now you can see over here scene browser, cylinder on top, and then inside of the cylinder sphere. So select this and rotate, you can see the both is moving well and fine. Okay, the first setup is done. We ready with the model. The second thing is need to adjust your timing. Only 30 seconds I need. So that you can see this radio button and the timing, time settings. So first thing is I need a 30 frame per second. Then PAL, it means 25 frame per second. 30 seconds, 30 frames and PAL and click OK. Now this is the second thing. And third is first pose, set key, key it. Go to the last pose, key it. So you can see the first and last pose the same. Middle pose, 15th frame, move towards the other direction. So we are moving towards the X. You can see the X is 55 something. So I need everything on a minus value. Just click minus. So you can see the exactly opposite way it's rotating and press set key. Now go back and play. That's it. So the pendulum is ready. You can see the pendulum, the both side are ease. It won't stuck somewhere. It is not going to hit somewhere. So the oscillation is good. The keys are smoothed. It is done. Okay, this is your assignment. This is the pendulum animation. And now we are going to do the two node animation. It means pendulum 1, then pendulum 2. So when the pendulum 1 is moving towards the right side, what happened to this pendulum 2? It will follow through. Okay, when it moves, it is follow through. So this is the exercise. You can hold your pen very loose in your hand, move towards left and right. What happened? When you move towards left, it will follow through the other axis. Then opposite way to the same thing. So when I move like this, the first pendulum is moving towards like this, then second pendulum is follow through. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. It is called a two-node animation. What do you mean by two-node animation? Because we need a two pivot to animate. Three-node animation, it means 1, 2, 3. 3 pivots, 3 controllers, three-node animation. If think about the character, it's a multi-node animation. Okay, we'll deal that later. Now we'll do the pendulum with a second pendulum. What we are going to do, just shift and drag this first pendulum. Okay, and shift and drag. So we are moving on the some frames on the middle of the frame because I need it in a straight. Okay, both the thing, make it straight. Now select this pivot, pivot is right. Link this to this one, and then this to this one. Spear to cylinder, cylinder to spear, spear to cylinder. That's a hierarchy. Now make sure that when you move, everything is moving towards that. Can you see that? Okay. Now the point is the second pendulum has a key. I delete this one so that it will. Okay. Simple. When it moves, go to the first frame, set the key, set the key. Last frame, set the key as usual. First and last frame. Middle frame, set the key. Okay. First we set the key, middle set the key, last set the key, but there is no rotation. When it is moving towards down, maybe in between of 15 to 0, maybe take it about 7th frame, rotate it towards left because of the follow through. Then move again, and the same thing will happen to this next end. Now you play. Okay, this is the follow through is happening with the pendulum. Yes, double pendulum, double node animation. So this is your assignment. Suppose if you want to move it on a third node, it is also fine. Shift and drag. Once you duplicate it, make sure you don't have any keys in between. Okay, shift and drag. So move it. And then shift and drag, duplicating it. Now, third cylinder, third spear to third cylinder to second spear. Second spear to second cylinder is already connected. Now, if you play, the problem is I need to move it and we need to set the key on the first frame. Now it's right. The same thing, same concept is applicable for the third also. Only the in-between frames, you need to rotate it. Only the second in between, you need to rotate it. When you rotate more, it means it's very loose object. You can see how much I rotated over here. It's almost like 143 degrees. So here, 140, so 3 degree more. Key. Now play. This is a 3-node animation, basically. So the idea is you need to understand the follow through and then extremes and in between keys. So this is your next animation assignment. So the first assignment is bouncing ball. The second one is triple pendulum or double pendulum according to you. At least try to do the double pendulum. If you understand the double pendulum, triple pendulum is very easy. 3-node is very easy. Okay, guys, that's it today's section. Simple and quick. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good day.